To get started, I just added some text to my timeline. Let's begin by holding down the Alt key and dragging our text to duplicate it. Now let's go over to the Effects panel and search for Wave Warp in the search box. Drag the effect on your top text clip. Over in Effect Controls, go down to the Wave Warp effect. He just added changes the wave type to square, increase the wave height to around 50, then increase the wave width to 100. Change the direction to 0 so that a glitch is horizontally. After that, decrease the wave speed to -10. Make sure the time head is at the start of your text clips, and press the right arrow key on your keyboard 3 times. Move the time it forward 3 frames. Now the top clip at the time head supposition. Move the time head forward for more frames and make another cut. Delete the clip that you just cut out then during the bottom clip so that it isn't overlapping with the first part of your top clip. Okay, now we have a horizontal glitch and then a slight pause. Alright, let's select the next part of our top clip and change the waveform direction to 90 so that it glitches vertically. Then position the time mid where we left off on our top clip. Move the time moved forward 3 frames and make a cut. Move the time head forward for more frames and make another cut. Delete the clip you just cut out. Then make a couple of cuts down here to delete where your clips are overlapping on the bottom. After that, make another cut where 2 big clips overlap, then drag to select the 2 end clips and delete them. Now drag to select all your cutout clips. While holding down the Alt key, drag them to create duplicates. Alright, and now when we play this back or text glitches, one last thing you can do to enhance your glitch effect and make it feel more random is to select some of your glitching clips and change to their scale. Okay, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.